हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं सौरभ कोहली आपका स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम चर्चा करेंगे जीके के प्रैक्टिस सेट की, जो कि आने वाले हर एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। चाहे वो DSSS हो, KVS हो, NVS हो या अदर कोई गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम हो, हर किसी में जीके आती ही है। तो इसलिए इस सेट को अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लें और इस चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहें। इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं MCQs की सीरीज़। An Indian river that does not form any delta is the नर्मदा। ऐसी कौन सी नदी है जो कि डेल्टा नहीं बनाती? नर्मदा। एशिया फर्स्ट अंडरग्राउंड हाइडल प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड इन हिमाचल प्रदेश। इंडिया फर्स्ट नेशनल क्रिकेट एकेडमी हैज़ बीन एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन बैंगलोर। With the enactment of 92nd Constitution Amendment Act 2003, how many Indian language figure in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India? 22. Liquefied petroleum gas LPG consists of mainly ethane, butane and propane. Which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? Measles. कौन सी डिजीज़ बैक्टीरिया से नहीं होती? मीसल्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिसीज इज कॉज्ड बाय वायरस? कौन सी बीमारी वायरस से होती है? इन्फ्लुएंजा। पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज प्रेजेंट। पिट्यूटरी जो ग्रंथि है वो कहाँ पाई जाती है? बिलो द ब्रेन, ब्रेन के जस्ट नीचे। विटामिन नेसेसरी टू प्रिवेंट प्रोलॉन्ग्ड ब्लीडिंग। ऐसा कौन सा विटामिन है जो आपकी जो रक्त की ब्लीडिंग को रोकता है, उस पर परत बनाता है? विटामिन के। अकॉर्डिंग टू हक्सली, द फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म। इफ द लेंस इन आई बिकम्स ओपेक, द डिजीज इज कॉल्ड कैटरैक्ट। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग writs is issued by the court in which of illegal detention of a person? Habeas corpus. The Strait of Dover separates which of the following countries? United Kingdom and France. जो स्ट्रेट ऑफ डोवर है वो किस किस दो स्टेट्स को अलग या कंट्रीज को अलग करती है? स्ट्रेट ऑफ डोवर UK और फ्रांस को। मानस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज लोकेटेड इन Assam. How many nations get the facility to get visa on arrival in India? 44 nations. Obra is famous for thermal power station. The Rajya Sabha, which is the upper house of the Indian Parliament, is a permanent body. Which of the following pairs is not correct? Davis Cup badminton. In the Indian Constitution, opportunities for the development of scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reforms are found in the fundamental duties. Rajghat Dam is situated on river Betwa. The Hindu dynasty in the south Vijayanagar kingdom came to end by the defeat of Ram Raj. Which is the largest continent of the world? Asia. Soil is composed of water, air and minerals. The major portion of the Indian Constitution can be amended by the Parliament with the consent of the state. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. Who was the 10th Guru of Sikhs? Guru Gobind Singh. What is the name given to the intermediate range ballistic surface to surface missile developed by India? Agni. The youngest woman title holder of Wimbledon lawn tennis is so far as Maria Sharapova. Which of the following countries have common national frontiers with India? China, Myanmar and Nepal. Four Mutt religious center in four corners of India were established by Shankaracharya. Karakoram highway connects Pakistan and China. Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. In 1945, on which city was the first atom bomb dropped? Hiroshima. McMahon Line is the frontier line between India and China. In which country is President rotated after 1 year tenure? Switzerland. Where is the SAARC Secretariat situated? Kathmandu. What is the world rank of India in terms of milk production? First, who among the following non-Indians was confirmed India's highest national award? Conferred Bharat Ratna Nelson Mandela. Which one of the following contains the Gayatri Mantra? Gayatri Mantra कहाँ से लिया गया है? ऋग्वेद से. Mahayana sect of Buddhism emerged during the reign of Kanishka. Alexander defeated Porus in 326 BC at the Battle of Hydaspes. हर्ष wrote रत्नावली. हर्ष ने रत्नावली लिखी है. The port city of the Indus Valley people was Lothal. Mumbai was taken by the English East India Company from Charles II. The Ashtapradhan was the council of ministers during the reign of Shivaji. Genghis Khan invaded outskirts of India during the reign of Iltutmish. The first Muslim invader of India was Muhammad bin Qasim. The Mughal emperor who wrote his autobiography was Babur. The Muslim League demanded a separate state for the Muslims in the year 1940. Artificial immunity can be acquired from vaccination. The earth revolves around the sun. This causes change of season. The study of fossils is known as paleontology. The planets on either side of the earth are Mars and Venus. The Indian constitution is rigid and flexible. In the refrigerator liquid is ammonia. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath. Which organ of the body purifies the blood? Kidneys. Red blood corpuscles are found in the bone marrow. Who said, I have nothing to offer except blood, sweat and tears? Winston Churchill. Which of the following serves as primary relay station for sensation? Thalamus. The Mohiniyattam dance form was developed in Kerala. Which of the following places is not situated on the eastern coast of India? Cochin. Grammy Awards are given in the field of music. Which country has succeeded in manned space mission so far? USA, China and Russia. The Indian Institute of Advanced Studies is located in Shimla. Which one of the following pairs is called twin cities? Hyderabad, Secunderabad. The first woman who was appointed judge of the Supreme Court in India hailed from Kerala. Which of the following has the sole authority to control the expenditure of the Union government? The Parliament. Which Muslim ruler enforced a strict price control system during his rule? Alauddin Khilji. Mansabdars during the Mughal period were militia men. Who led the extremists before the arrival of Gandhi on the political scene for India's freedom struggle? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Swadeshi movement started in India during anti-Bengal partition agitation. Which of the following was not the outcome of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Temporary peace in Punjab. Khilafat movement subsidized because of accession of Kamal Pasha to the throne of Turkey. Which party was in power in the UK when India became independent? Labour Party. The interim government at the centre was formed in 1946 after the visit of the cabinet mission. Who was the Prime Minister of UK at the time of India independence? Clement Attlee. Which of the following caves has the Trimurti statue with faces of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh? Elephanta Caves. Line demarcating the boundary between India and Pakistan is Radcliffe Line. Which among the following is closest to the equator? Great Nicobar Island. Joule stand for the unit of energy. Deficiency diseases are caused due to the deficiency of vitamins. Rust stain removal is done by oxalic acid. What name has been given to the newly purchased aircraft carrier Admiral Gorshkov? INS Vikramaditya. In a dynamo, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. A 100-watt bulb light 10 hours daily in a month of 30 days, it will consume 30 kilowatt hour unit. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Which of the following materials exhibits sublimation? Camphor. Which of the following substances is most elastic? Steel. Which is the following planet have no moons? Mercury and Venus. Cryogenic engines are used for running which of the following programs? Space program. Who presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President. Shimla Pact between India and Pakistan was signed in 1972. Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education, which has been given the status of university, is located at Gwalior. India enjoys supremacy of the export of mica. Who among the following Delhi Sultan was criticized as a mixture of opposites? Balban. Which of the following is not an extremist militant organization operating in Jammu and Kashmir? Ulfa. In 1931, Mahatma Gandhi signed a peace pact with Lord Irwin. Asia's first sky city is proposed to be set up at Kochi, Kerala. The Khilafat movement was started by Ali brothers. Sharda Act deal with child marriage. Indian Railway and Postal Service were started during the reign of Dalhousie. The provision for separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims was made in Minto Morley reform. Who was among the following was associated with the permanent settlement of Bengal? Lord Cornwallis. Which country is known as Land of Thousand Lakes? Finland. The lowest portion of the atmosphere of the earth is called troposphere. Trachoma is a disease of eyes. Quartz is made of silicon dioxide.